Brainy Bites, a daily dose for self-improvement.
Hey there, amazing souls. Ready to embark on a journey that's sure to ignite your spirit and leave you inspired? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving into the awe-inspiring life of a true global legend, none other than Nelson Mandela. Get ready to walk the path of freedom and discover the incredible life lessons that have the power to transform how we approach success. So, grab your virtual passport and let's explore walking the path of freedom, Nelson Mandela's journey to success together. Hello, beautiful minds. I'm thrilled to welcome you to a video that's as impactful as it is illuminating. We're here to explore the life and legacy of a man whose name echoes through the corridors of history, Nelson Mandela. A beacon of hope, a symbol of resilience, and an embodiment of leadership. Mandela's journey is a tapestry woven with the threads of freedom, equality, and unwavering determination. His story isn't just a chapter in a history book, it's a living testament to the power of the human spirit. From the vibrant streets of South Africa to the corridors of power, Mandela's life was an odyssey that continues to reverberate with meaning and inspiration, touching hearts across the globe. His story isn't just about a single man, it's about the triumph of principles over prejudice, unity over division, and forgiveness over bitterness. And today, we're embarking on a voyage through his extraordinary life to unearth the priceless life lessons that can guide us all on our own paths to success. So, whether you're sipping your morning coffee or winding down after a long day, get ready to be captivated by the tale of a man who transformed adversity into an opportunity for change. Together, we'll discover how his journey can light our own paths and remind us that within every challenge lies the potential for growth. So, without further ado, let's dive into walking the path of freedom, Nelson Mandela's journey to success. 1. Early life and activism. Nelson Mandela's journey to success didn't start in the spotlight. It began with the roots he planted in his early life. Born in the lush landscapes of the Eastern Cape, his upbringing was a canvas painted with a rich blend of culture, tradition, and resilience. Growing up in a world marked by racial segregation, Mandela's personal experiences were shaped by the stark inequalities that defined South Africa during that era. These experiences left an indelible mark on his soul and sparked the flames of a lifelong commitment to change. From a young age, Mandela witnessed the stark disparities in society, the divisions that ran deeper than lines drawn on a map. His upbringing instilled in him values of empathy, unity, and the unshakable belief that every human being deserved equal treatment, regardless of their background. This foundation would become the bedrock of his unwavering dedication to justice and equality. As he stepped into adulthood, Mandela's activism took root. With passion burning in his heart and conviction in his voice, he joined the struggle against apartheid, a system that sought to confine individuals to predetermined roles based on the color of their skin. Mandela's involvement in anti-apartheid activities wasn't merely a political stance. It was a reflection of his unyielding commitment to shaping a world where fairness and freedom prevailed. Life Lesson 1: Commitment to Justice and Equality. Mandela's early experiences etched into his spirit a commitment that would define his life's purpose, the pursuit of justice and equality for all. His journey teaches us that the seeds of change are often sown in the soil of personal experiences. Through his lens, we learn that success isn't just about personal gain. It's about uplifting others, challenging the status quo, and standing tall in the face of adversity. Mandela's commitment to justice wasn't swayed by the challenges that lay ahead. Instead, he used those challenges as stepping stones, a pathway to his vision of a brighter future. His life lesson teaches us that in order to create change, we must channel our early experiences and beliefs into actions that resonate beyond ourselves. Mandela's legacy reminds us that when we stand up for what's right, even in the face of daunting odds, we contribute to a ripple effect of change that can transform not only our lives but also the lives of generations to come. So, as we reflect on Mandela's early life and activism, let's remember that the journey to success isn't a solitary voyage. It's a collective effort fueled by our commitment to justice, equality, and the courage to challenge the norms. Stay tuned as we delve further into Mandela's incredible journey, uncovering more life lessons that can illuminate our own paths to success. 2. The Long Walk to Freedom, Imprisonment and Resilience. As we delve deeper into Nelson Mandela's journey, we come face to face with a chapter that tested not only his strength but also his unwavering commitment to his principles. Mandela's story took a dramatic turn when he was arrested, subjected to an emotionally charged trial, and subsequently sentenced to a staggering 27 years in prison. This was a dark period, a seemingly unending night that could have broken the spirit of a lesser soul. Yet, It was during these years of confinement that Mandela displayed a level of resilience that defied imagination. Locked away in a small cell, he used every ounce of his inner strength to transform adversity into an opportunity for growth. He refused to allow his spirit to be imprisoned alongside his body. Instead, he turned to learning, studying, and deepening his understanding of the very principles he had dedicated his life to. Life Lesson 2: Resilience and Perseverance. Mandela's remarkable resilience and unwavering perseverance teach us that the path to success is seldom smooth. Life will throw challenges our way, testing our determination and resolve. Yet, like Mandela, we too possess the power to transform our circumstances through the lens of resilience. His journey serves as a powerful reminder that true strength doesn't lie in avoiding difficulties but in facing them head-on with unwavering courage. Mandela's ability to maintain his principles, to stand firm even when faced with oppression and isolation, is a lesson in perseverance that resonates through the ages. It's a testament to the idea that while circumstances may change, our values remain our guiding lights. His life teaches us that true success isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about the journey itself, about the transformation that occurs within us as we navigate life's twists and turns. So, as we absorb the awe-inspiring story of Mandela's imprisonment and resilience, let's remember that our own struggles and setbacks are opportunities for growth. They are the crucibles in which our character is forged and our determination is honed. Mandela's journey is a beacon, showing us that even in the darkest of times, there's a resilient spirit within us that can illuminate the way forward. Stay tuned, as we uncover more gems of wisdom from Mandela's journey that can guide us on our own paths to success. 3. Negotiation and Reconciliation. As the curtains of Mandela's long incarceration finally began to draw open, a new chapter unfolded. One that would showcase his remarkable ability to foster change through diplomacy and forgiveness. Mandela's release from prison wasn't just a personal triumph, it was a pivotal moment in South Africa's history. Emerging from the darkness, he stepped into the light with a vision of unity, reconciliation, and a future free from the shackles of apartheid. Mandela's journey took an unexpected turn as he shifted from prisoner to peacemaker. He embarked on a path of negotiations that sought to end apartheid and establish a democratic South Africa. His approach was marked by an incredible capacity to understand and empathize with those who had once been his adversaries. He recognized that achieving lasting change required not just political maneuvering, but also a commitment to mending the wounds of a divided nation. Life Lesson 3: Diplomacy and Forgiveness. Mandela's dedication to negotiation, diplomacy, and forgiveness holds a profound life lesson for us all. He showed us that transformational change isn't solely about toppling structures. It's about building bridges. By embracing diplomacy and seeking common ground, even with those who had once oppressed him, Mandela demonstrated the transformative power of forgiveness in healing deep wounds and forging a united future. His journey teaches us that true success isn't achieved by perpetuating cycles of animosity, but by breaking those cycles through the strength of forgiveness. Mandela's legacy shines as a testament to the idea that when we choose understanding over hostility, compassion over revenge, and unity over division, we become architects of positive change that resonates far beyond our immediate circumstances. As we reflect on Mandela's journey of negotiation and reconciliation, let's be inspired to bring these principles into our own lives. Let's look for ways to bridge divides, to heal wounds, and to envision a world where differences are celebrated, not feared. The third life lesson from Mandela's journey, diplomacy and forgiveness, is a beacon guiding us toward a path of positive transformation and lasting impact. So, stay tuned as we continue to unravel the threads of his remarkable journey, weaving a tapestry of inspiration that we can carry with us on our own paths to success. 4. Leadership and Unity, from prisoner to president. From the confinements of a prison cell to the corridors of power, Nelson Mandela's journey took yet another remarkable turn as he ascended to become South Africa's first black president. His election wasn't just a political victory. It was a triumph of hope over despair, unity over division, and the undeniable power of transformational leadership. Mandela stepped into this role not as a conqueror seeking revenge, but as a unifier committed to healing the wounds of a nation fractured by years of apartheid. As president, Mandela embarked on a mission to bridge the chasms that had divided South Africa for far too long. He understood that building a cohesive society required more than policy changes. It demanded a profound shift in collective consciousness. Mandela's efforts to promote reconciliation, his advocacy for tolerance and understanding, and his steadfast dedication to justice set the stage for a new South Africa where all citizens could stand side by side, regardless of their backgrounds. Life Lesson 4: Transformational leadership. Mandela's journey from prisoner to president is a masterclass in transformational leadership. His leadership style was an embodiment of his principles, a beacon that illuminated the way for others to follow. Through his ability to inspire, unite, and lead by example, Mandela demonstrated that leadership isn't about exerting power, but about empowering others. His actions weren't driven by personal gain, but by the desire to elevate the collective well-being of his nation and beyond. Mandela's leadership teaches us that success as a leader isn't measured solely by achievements, but by the lasting impact we have on people's lives. He showed that by leading with empathy, authenticity, and the unwavering commitment to doing what is right, we can create a ripple effect of positive change that extends far beyond our immediate circles. His journey beckons us to become leaders who don't just manage, but who transform, inspire, and empower those around us. As we reflect on Mandela's transformational leadership, L.A.s remember that we, too, have the potential to lead in ways that uplift, unite, and inspire. Let's embrace the qualities that make us uniquely human and use them to create a better world for everyone. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the facets of Mandela's incredible journey, unearthing more invaluable life lessons that can guide us on our paths to success. 5. Legacy and global impact. Nelson Mandela's journey to success was never confined by borders or time. It transcended the boundaries of his nation to touch the hearts of people across the globe. His legacy is an indelible mark on the canvas of human history, a testament to the enduring power of compassion, justice, and unwavering determination. Mandela's contributions to human rights weren't just confined to South Africa. They rippled outward, inspiring movements for equality and justice in every corner of the world. One of the most beautiful tributes to Mandela's enduring impact is the establishment of Mandela Day. A day dedicated to the idea that each individual has the power to make a positive change in their community and beyond. This annual celebration encourages acts of kindness, compassion, and service, embodying the very essence of Mandela's life's work. Life Lesson 5: Legacy and Social Responsibility. Mandela's legacy isn't just a tale of the past, it's an invitation for each of us to consider our own legacies and the impact we leave behind. His life lesson teaches us that success isn't just about personal achievements. It's about using our talents and resources to uplift others and contribute to a better world. As we bask in the glow of his legacy, we're reminded of our social responsibility to be agents of positive change, to champion equality, justice, and unity. Mandela's journey invites us to reflect on the question, how will we be remembered? By following his example of selfless dedication to the greater good, we can create a legacy that echoes long after our time has passed. His story challenges us to recognize our power to create change, to rise above divisions, and to leave a lasting impact that transcends generations. As we conclude this incredible journey through Mandela's life, let's carry forward the lessons he imparted: commitment to justice, resilience in the face of adversity, diplomacy and forgiveness, transformational leadership, and the responsibility to leave a positive legacy. Let's be inspired to be catalysts for change in our own lives and communities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of walking the path of freedom, Nelson Mandela's journey to success. Remember, it's not just the destination that counts, but the footsteps we leave behind. And there you have it, fellow seekers of inspiration. Nelson Mandela's journey to success has taken us on a profound expedition through the landscapes of commitment, resilience, diplomacy, leadership, and legacy. These life lessons, woven into the fabric of his story, aren't just chapters from the past. They're guiding stars illuminating our own paths to success. Mandela's commitment to justice and equality, his unwavering resilience, and his ability to embrace diplomacy and forgiveness, even in the face of adversity, showcase a blueprint for living a purpose-driven life. His transformational leadership style reminds us that true greatness lies in the way we inspire and empower others. And the legacy he left behind challenges us to be mindful of our social responsibility, to contribute positively to the world we share. As you ponder the footprints left by this remarkable individual, take a moment to reflect on how you can weave these invaluable life lessons into the tapestry of your own journey. Let's honor Mandela's legacy not just by remembering, but by actively fostering equality, justice, and unity in our lives and communities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Nelson Mandela's incredible journey. If this journey has touched your heart and sparked your curiosity, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow adventurers, and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on more inspirational content. Let's conclude with a powerful quote from Nelson Mandela himself: "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." So, armed with the lessons of his journey, let's go forth and be the change we wish to see. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep walking the path of freedom.